BillcoBatchBan&SubPlateCutting is a patented dynamic optimization software for glass fabricators looking to achieve the highest possible yield from their cutting line and facilitate a constant flow of racks moving from the cutter. BillcoBatchBan optimizes sheets of glass using a sophisticated algorithm. Layouts are not predetermined or restricted by batches, but rather optimized dynamically at the cutter, one sheet at a time. At the cutting table, the optimizer scans all available pieces and determines a layout that will deliver the highest possible yield for the sheet, while keeping a constant flow of filled racks moving from the cutter. By accessing a large active database of pieces, the optimizer can deliver the optimal layout that will achieve the highest yield for both the sheet and overall process. BillcoBatchBan reacts seamlessly to changes in the order or priority of the desired rack sequence to generate the absolute highest yield possible. At HP3, we calculate true yield. We understand the importance of your bottom line and the importance in transparency in your data. We do not deduct unavoidable waste. Our software uses the most basic calculation when determining yield by taking the total square footage produced and divide that number by the total square footage consumed to give an honest and true yield. When possible, pieces are nested in the unavoidable waste areas of larger shapes. The BillcoBatchBan optimizer accounts for rack priority, as specified by the customer, giving precedence to the pieces that will facilitate constant rack flow. It can dynamically shift priority to accommodate changes such as rush orders or remakes. If a piece is broken at any point at the cutter, the operator can simply mark it and the optimizer will issue a remake with high priority. Additionally, if a piece breaks anywhere else in the plant, the remake can be triggered remotely using HP3's order entry system. The new high-priority remake is reintroduced to the optimizer. If a sheet yield is projected to be low, the optimizer will look ahead and call up a piece slated for an upcoming rack, not currently mounted at the cutter. It will be placed in a temporary holding rack, called a rare rack, until its designated harp rack is mounted at the cutter. This maintains yield and minimizes waste. Along with the Look Ahead feature, low priority or stock pieces can be integrated whenever a projected yield for a sheet falls below a user-defined level. Low priority pieces can be used as filler to keep yield high. Production monitoring is a visual tool that gives plant managers, supervisors, and operators a real-time snapshot of important production data. Goals can be set and tailored to each shift, giving operators a visual guide and benchmark for shift performance. BillcoBatchBan's most recent development is the patent-pending SubPlateCutting feature. SubPlateCutting alleviates the bottleneck that occurs at the breakout station by balancing the flow of glass through the entire cutting process. Instead of scoring an entire sheet at once, this new process utilizes BillcoBatchBan's dynamic algorithm to force Y breaks and divide each stock sheet into smaller, more manageable sheets called subplates. When a sheet conveys onto the cutting table, the optimizer designates the first main Y break, creating the first subplate. The first subplate is then scored, automatically separated, and sent to the breakout table. The remaining sheet is whittled down, one subplate at a time. The result is a constant but manageable flow of glass delivered to the breakout table, giving the breakout operator a balanced workload. The cutter is no longer waiting for the operator, and vice versa. The larger the glass, the more likely there will be an imbalance in the processing speed between the cutter and the breakout table. Jumbo glass, for instance, can be very time-consuming to break out. Dividing the glass into subplates alleviates the bottleneck. The longer a score sits, the more likely it is to heal. A healed score can be difficult to break out and can result in hairline fractures along the edge of the glass. These are often missed and result in further downstream issues. An added bonus of subplate cutting is the ability to trigger a remake to be cut on the same stock sheet. If a remake is generated during breakout on a leading subplate, the remake can be scored on the next available subplate. Whittling down the size of the sheet eliminates long scores that can be difficult for a breakout operator to handle. The benefits of subplate cutting improve yield beyond the cutting station by eliminating bottlenecks in the workload, preventing the occurrence of improper breakage, and utilizing BatchBan's dynamic optimizer. Plant-wide yield is improved. HP3 software integrates seamlessly with any cutter, regardless of the manufacturer. HP3's easy-to-work-with team of developers, field technicians, and sales support work side by side with our customers and manufacturing partners to deliver custom, easy-to-use optimization software for flat glass fabricators. Industry leaders rely on HP3 software as a genuine partner, not only for our 24/7 accessibility and support and reliable products, but for our unparalleled commitment to the success of their operations. BatchBan cutting maximizes cutting yield, minimizes waste, and improves fabricators' bottom line. Learn more about BatchBan cutting and HP3's other optimization software at hp3software.com. Request your free customized demo today.